Okay, let's talk about the real estate exam. Here's your cheat code to pass.
Yeah, let's be honest. You've heard the stories. That exam, it feels like the final boss. You're dreaming of getting that license, right? Well, the reality is a 39% nationwide fail rate. Does this feel a little too familiar? Let's break down why so many people fail.
You have read the whole book, but honestly, you can't remember a single thing. It's just a blur.
Oh, the math. Prorations, commissions. The second you see numbers, your brain just kind of shuts down.
You're just getting started, and it feels like a mountain of information. It's totally overwhelming.
But what if you could just completely flip that script? And here's the difference in black and white, a 39% fail rate versus a 94% pass rate.
So how is this possible? Meet EstatePass. It's your AI-powered study partner.
This isn't just flashcards. It's a full-on AI study system built to help you win.
Here's the magic. The AI doesn't just say correct, it tells you why, so concepts actually stick.
And it works. Just ask Sarah. She passed her California exam on the very first try.
Or Michael from Texas, failed twice, switched to EstatePass, and then passed in only 3 weeks.
So how do you start? It's really this simple. Just 3 steps to exam day confidence.
And what's the goal? Score a 75% on 2 mock exams. The app says you're ready.
So it's time to stop all that stressing and finally start passing. Your future is waiting.
So go download it at estatepass.ai. You can start for free.